In an incident that made headlines for all the wrong reasons, interior designer Suzanne Khan, क्रिकेटर सुरेश रैना और सिंगर गुरु रंधावा को मुंबई पुलिस ने मुंबई के एक 5 स्टार होटल से अरेस्ट किया। पुलिस की रेड सुबह के 3 बजे हुई and 34 people were reportedly arrested by the police. It was at 2:30 a.m. in the morning that the Mumbai police entered a club located at a 5-star hotel in Andheri and arrested 34 people. This included 27 guests and 7 members of the management. News soon spread that amongst those arrested were cricketer Suresh Raina, singer Guru Randhawa and Suzanne Khan, who is actor Hrithik Roshan's ex-wife. While such raid and arrests are common when there is suspicion of banned substances being consumed or any improper form of partying going on, इस बार बात कुछ और थी। The police conducted a raid to arrest those flouting the new curfew that has been imposed in the city between 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. All those arrested by the police were flouting the curfew rules that have been imposed to check the spread of the pandemic, and under the law, anyone who violates the curfew timelines and does not follow other pandemic-related norms like social distancing or wearing a mask can be arrested. After multiple rumors started floating around about the reason for the arrests, Vishwas Nangre Patil, Joint CP of Law and Order, spoke to the media and clarified all the details. He said, 27 customers and 7 management people were arrested under Section 188 of the Disaster Management Act and 33W of the Mumbai Police Act. He also added that those arrested in the raid were released with a 41D notice or were given bail, and action is also being taken against the management of the hotel for keeping the establishment open beyond permissible hours. After news of the arrest spread, Suresh Raina's representatives issued a statement clarifying the cricketer's presence at the venue. The statement said, Suresh was in Mumbai for a shoot which extended to late hours and was invited by a friend for a quick dinner prior to him taking his flight back to Delhi. He was not aware of the local timings and protocols. Guru Randhava's team has also issued a similar statement saying that the singer regrets the unfortunate and unintentional incident. According to him, he was unaware about the night curfew but promises to comply with government guidelines and protocols by taking all precautionary measures in the future. Suzanne Khan has also put out a statement on social media clarifying that she had not been arrested. Suzanne shared that while the police did enter the club where she was present, the guests were asked to wait for 3 hours while they sorted out the issue. She adds that reports of her being arrested are false and misleading. Well, looks like the 27 guests managed to get away with no serious punishments, and it's a timely reminder to others as well that the pandemic is far from over and we have to still make sure to follow all safety rules.